Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ES6, create a strings using template literals. A new feature of ES6 is the template literal. This is a special type of a string that makes creating complex string easier. Template literals allow you to create multi-line strings and to use interpolation features to create strings. Consider the code below. Here we can see a constant named person which contains object with values zodiac hasbro age 56. Here name and age are property and these are the properties values. Template literal with multi-line and a string interpolation. Here we can see a example of template literal, and when we print we will get something like this. A lot of things happened here. First, the examples use a backticks. We can see here back it started from with backticks and it ends with backticks, not quotes, single or double, to wrap the string. Secondly, notice that the string is multi-line both in code and the output. So when it started in the first line and we read then write it in the second line, then the print is also similar to that, means it also comes in two lines. This saves inserting \n within a strings. The variable syntax means dollar then braces, and inside braces we are using object means object dot whatever the property name is. Syntax used above is a placeholder. Basically, you won't have to concatenate with the plus operator anymore. To add variables to a string, you just drop the variable in template string and wrap it with dollar brace start and brace in. Similarly, you can include other expressions in your string literal. For example, dollar and then braces start a plus b and then braces closed. This new way of creating strings gives you more flexibility to create robust strings. So let's see the task for this challenge. Use template literal syntax with backticks to create an array of list element strings. Each list element's text should be one of the array elements from failure property on the result object and have a class attribute with the value text warning. The make list function should return the array of list item a string. Use an iterator method, any kind of loop, to get the desired output. That is li class text warning nowhere li where on top line break. So let's see the problem. Use template literal syntax with backticks to create an array of list items. An array of list element string. Each list element's text should be one of the array elements from failure property on the result object and have a class attribute with the value text warning. The make list function should return the array of list item strings. Use an iterator method, any kind of loop, to get the desired output. So in this case, failure items is returning. So this should store all the result, and we have to use loop. So first, for let I equal to 0, I less than failure dot length I plus plus, and afterward inside this we have ARR, not ARR, failure items dot push, and inside this we have to push we are using template literal here, and inside template literal we will be using li class equal to text warning, and we are using dollar and then braces to declare ARRI, okay, and then close li. So failure items dot length, I was making mistake here, okay, and this should loop through all. So result dot failure is passed here, we are given an array, and we will loop through array failure items, not failure items dot length, array dot length. Array is this. I am not making mistake anywhere else, right? Let's run the test and see. Failure list should be equal to the specified output. So it is not equal. So let's see what actually we are getting. Console.log failures list. Okay, so no spaces please, and we have no spaces now, and this should be acceptable. Let's see, run the test. Why? Li class equal to text hyphen warning. Oh there is another mistake which I have done, that I have not closed the uh, quotes, and that's why it was giving error. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.